Key steps: subcuticular sutures, linear incision under minimal tension, running suture with knot at each end, reinforcement with steri strips or tissue glue. Bury subcuticular sutures by running horizontal sutures just below the skin surface. This technique is useful for wounds under minimal tension and where cosmetic results are important. Deeper wounds may first require closure of the subcutaneous tissue with absorbable sutures to bring the skin edges together. Subcuticular closure begins with a knot at one apex of the incision using polypropylene-coated nylon suture. Place the needle through the skin to emerge in the wound. Run the suture, taking horizontal bites through the superficial papillary dermis, alternating sides so that the depth of the exit point of one side matches the depth of the entry point of the other. Keep the suture under minimal tension. Emerge at the other end at the wound apex and place a second knot. Reinforce the wound with steri strips or tissue glue.